Hello everyone, welcome back to Learning English Step by Step with Queen Sanaz. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for joining me. If you want to improve your English vocabulary, pronunciation, and confidence, you are in the right place. Let's begin today's exciting vocabulary lesson. Lesson 27. 1. Ambition. A strong desire to achieve success. Synonym: goal, dream. Example: her ambition is to become an English teacher. 2. Courage. The ability to face fear. Synonym: bravery, confidence. Example: it takes courage to speak a new language. 3. Discover. To find something new. Synonyms: find, uncover. Example: we discover new words every day. 4. Effort. Hard work. Synonyms: attempt, hard work. Example: your effort will bring success. 5. Inspire. To encourage someone. Synonyms: motivate, encourage. Example: great teachers inspire students. 6. Journey. A trip or an experience through life. Synonyms: trip, adventure. Example: learning English is a long journey. 7. Knowledge. Information and understanding. Synonyms: learning, wisdom. Example: reading books increases knowledge. 8. Opportunity. A good chance. Synonyms: chance, possibility. Example: every lesson is an opportunity to improve. 9. Positive. Hopeful and optimistic. Synonyms: optimistic, cheerful. Example: always keep a positive attitude. 10. Practice. To do something repeatedly. Train, exercise. Example: practice English every day. 11. Progress. Improvement over time. Synonyms: growth, improvement. A small progress is still progress. 12. Success. Achieving your goals. Synonyms: achievement, victory. Example: success comes after hard work. Reading. The road to success. Every successful person starts with a dream. At first, the dream may seem impossible, but every great achievement begins with a single step. David was a young student who wanted to improve his English. He knew that learning a new language would require time, patience, and hard work. Every morning, he woke up early and studied for 1 hour before going to school. In the evening, he reviewed his notes and practiced speaking in front of a mirror. Some days were difficult. David forgot new words, made grammar mistakes, and sometimes felt disappointed. However, he never gave up. Instead of complaining, he learned from his mistakes and continued studying. His teacher often reminded the class that success does not happen overnight. It comes from daily practice, strong determination, and a positive attitude. David believed these words and followed them every day. As the months passed, his vocabulary became larger. His pronunciation improved, and he felt more confident while speaking English. He started reading simple books, listening to English podcasts, and watching educational videos without subtitles. One day, David had the opportunity to speak with a visitor from another country. At first, he was nervous, but after a few minutes, he relaxed and enjoyed the conversation. He realized that all his effort had been worthwhile. That experience inspired him to study even harder. He understood that learning never ends and that every new word opens another door to knowledge. Today, David encourages other students to believe in themselves. He tells them that everyone learns at a different speed, but anyone can become successful with patience, consistent practice, and confidence. Remember, your future is created by the choices you make today. Study with passion. Practice every day. Never be afraid of mistakes and keep moving forward. Step by step, you will reach your goals and discover that success is closer than you ever imagined. Thank you so much for watching today's lesson. I hope you learned many useful new words and enjoyed today's reading. Keep practicing English every day. Believe in yourself and never stop learning. See you in the next lesson. Until next time, take care. Stay positive and keep learning English step by step. Goodbye.